Good day. This is Danelle Stevens, and I'm doing this screencast, a video. Actually, it's going to be on YouTube to show you how to find the CITI test that you have to complete in order to conduct research on human subjects at PSU or at any university. The path that I use is I go to the search bar and I type in research integrity. It's probably an easier path, but this is the way I do it. Research integrity and compliance programs, click the first one. Then policies and compliance, and go down here to where it says human subjects research. And this is a very important page for a lot of reasons, but the one that we're after right now is to find the training program in order to take the CITI test, which is the Collaborative Institutional Training Initiative. You need to complete this before you submit an IRB proposal. It lasts for 5 years, and according to Lauren, which is great, the first time you take it, there's a lot of modules, but after that, it's more like a refresher or course. So you go down page from the top where you're on research integrity, IRB training course, and then it says human subjects research training, and you're going to access this site, CITI program site. And these are really important little notes here about what to remember when you get there. You're going to have to register. You're going to have to select PSU from the participating institutions. I think you can just type it in. And you have to create a username and password. You will not be able to complete all the modules in one setting. There's about 16 to 18 of them. So I suggest, as I have done up here, I put it as a bookmark on my bookmark bar so I can keep going back and forth to finish the test. So just remember, go back to here, you need to click register, select PSU, create a username and password, and then the curriculum you want is the human subjects researcher curriculum. These other two curriculums, group one, are longer. You'll be here for months doing these two if you're a committee member or if you're an administrator. So just do group one and question one, human subjects research course. Okay, so you're going to click here, go to the CITI program page, and at the first time you get here, you're going to have to register. Okay, so you're going to register. I am already registered, but I'll do some of this. So I'll put in, there it is. Just do Portland State. I tried the SSO, which would mean I could use my Portland State password to get in, but they said it wasn't set up yet. So just do Portland State, and you have to agree to the terms of service, and you affirm that you're an affiliate. And then you're going, if you try to use this one, at least when I did it, you couldn't use it because it wasn't set up yet. So you have to create your own username and password, however you do that. And once you've done that, then you put in your name, email address, verify it, and then you continue on. I'm not going to do this. I'm going to stop here because I'm already registered, and which they'll tell me. Maybe I should just do it anyway. Okay. Stevens D at PDX. Stevens. Okay. And continue to step 3. Learner registration, username, and I already have a password, so security question according, mother's maiden name. Continue to step 4. So we're sorry that username is already in use, so that they know that I'm I'm already so what I need to do, obviously, is to log in. So I can click here to receive my account information, and and thank you. The username associated with the email has been sent to the primary and secondary email addresses on file. Oh, goodness. All right. So they are, anyway, so they, at that point, they tell me that I've completed the test, what my test number is. I'll try. Username. Please try again. Click here. Okay, they have support there. I don't want to go any farther because I've already logged in. But I think at this point, but just make sure you enter group one. Don't do the others because those are too long. And what I'm going to say about the program itself is that there's like 18 modules. They're very repetitive. You cannot do it in one setting, so I suggest that you put it up here in the bar and you just keep going in and out. They give you a chance to redo your answers if you get them wrong. Almost all the answers are multiple choice, but they're at different levels of cognitive demand. So you can't read the file and go, oh yes, all they want are the details of the studies that conducted errors in human subjects, or oh, they want the definitions of key terms. The questions are kind of variable because all the modules have been written by different people. So that would be one of my bit of feedback for them. For some people, 2 computers are helpful. So you could have on the other computer the content from that modules. I tried to print them, and the problem with printing them is they have embedded in them some web links. So it's just easier just to do it on the computer, do the web links if you want, and because you won't get the web links from printing. So some people do it this way. They have 2 computer screens, put the content on one screen, the questions on the other, and they go back and forth. I found for me what the easiest thing to do was to just take pretty good notes on the chapter, brief but good notes, probably a page per chapter. And then when I had to answer the questions, most of the answers were in my notes. It does take some time. You will get opportunities to redo your answers, and so that you can get, I think, 80% on each quiz at the end of each section. So that's the way it works. There you go. Good luck.